What's up, everybody? This is Reverend Guns, and today we are going to be taking apart and cleaning the magazine to a Walther CCP. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure it is clear and safe to work on. So right below, right next to the trigger here is a button. It's the mag release. When you press it, the magazine pops out. Second, right here is your slide lock. When you pull the slide all the way back, you push the slide lock up and it will lock it into place. Now you can look down the barrel and see there is nothing in there. Push down the slide lock, it'll uncock it, and we're going to set this aside. We don't need this for this video. Tools you're going to need. I use a soft bristle brush, something new, unused on anything. You don't want any cleaners or solvents or oils or anything on this thing because those will leave a residue on the magazine and it'll cause dirt and stuff to stick to it. And, you know, these get kicked around, dropped, stepped on, whatever, and people overlook cleaning these. So we want to keep these as clean as we can. So not using solvents, I use rubbing alcohol. I use the 91%. It evaporates real quickly, cleans off what you need, and gets you on your way. And then I've got a fresh, clean rag. You don't want a rag with any oils or solvents or lube or anything on there. So to take it apart, you're going to look on the underside here, and there is a little tiny circle right here. You want to press that in, and when you do, you're pushing it past the base plate. Basically, you can start pushing the base plate forward. Now, don't go shoving this thing all the way off right away, unless you like to be surprised with the spring popping out at you. But you want to keep your thumb on over the spring there while you take the base plate off. And then you can see that the spring will easily come out. Got the spring. You've got the little base of the spring and the feeding ramp. So I'm going to do these one at a time because alcohol evaporates quickly. There's really no reason to try and let it soak. But just spray it down. Give it a nice little scrub down. And then wipe it off. One down. Let's do the base of the spring. And wipe it off. The spring, I just kind of go over with the rag. I mean, unless you see a bunch of mud or something caked on here, it really don't need anything more than being wiped down. So I just kind of follow the spiral and wipe it down. Feeding ramp, this gets quite dirty. It's right there next to the action, so you know it's probably got some carbon buildup. It's good to really scrape that off. Make sure you get it clean. You don't want this to fail to feed. This one looks pretty good though. We'll wipe that down. And the mag. Up here at the top, by the where the feeding ramp stops, it's you may get some carbon corrosion on there. So we'll give this a good little scrub down. Whoop. I use the little detail end to get on the inside. And then we'll do a little wipe down on that. And I'll do a little wipe down through the inside. Just kind of force the rag through and pull it through. That will cause a good wipe down on the inside. Alright, so we're not going to put any oils on this. Like I said, oil attracts dirt, dust, whatever else, so don't put anything on this. So, reassembly. Take your mag tube and take your feeding ramp. It's kind of angled the same, so it's pretty obvious on how you drop it in there. Just drop it in. Take your spring. It really doesn't matter which way you do this. It's just you want to go with the angle of the magazine. So put that in. You've got the base of the spring. It's got one little notch on the bottom and then two more. These two attach to the spring. This one's got a little cutout in it. This actually goes to the back. So when you set it on, set the little notches in the ends of the spring there, and it should look like that. Okay. Now we can compress it. Hold it down with your thumb again. And you see it's got a rail, basically. Okay, so this is the actual bottom. This is what attaches to the mag. And it just slides over the little guides on the magazine itself, and then you wait for it to click. Now you know it's back in place. So that is everything we do to clean a magazine for a Walther CCP. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I also offer the online course to get your Texas license to carry a handgun. It's the 4-hour class broken down into segments and saves you progress so you can do it at your own pace. After completing the course, you can print your certificate. Then it'll help you locate an instructor close to you, no matter where you are in Texas, so you can complete the shooting portion of the course. This is all certified by the Texas Department of Public Safety. Check it out at reverendguns.com. If you have any questions or comments, please add them below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more firearms education.